Good morning, boys. Today we are going to learn what is given in lesson number 2 of your English Empowering. The title of this story is A Story from Panchtantra, The Sage's Daughter. Now, as you all have heard, Panchtantra stories in Hindi language. Same way, here is an explanation which will tell you what is the meaning of Panchtantra. Panchtantra is a collection of wonderful thought-provoking stories. As in Aesop's fables, it has animal characters and morals to be learned. We get to read and enjoy these stories in our cultural context. Now the synopsis. You know what is the meaning of synopsis? The gist, the short form of the story, The Sage's Daughter. The story goes like this. Once there was a sage who had only one complaint, and that was that he had no children. Being a religious man, he offered prayers every day. On one such day, when he was praying, an eagle flying high in the sky with a mouse in its sharp claws loosened its hold momentarily, and the mouse fell like a pebble into the hands of the praying sage. The sage decided that this was the gift from gods and took the little mouse home to his wife. The wife heard the amazing story and wistfully hoped if it had been a baby girl. As soon as she had said it, the mouse was transformed into a baby girl. The couple took good care of the baby girl and she grew into a beautiful maiden. It was then that they decided to get her married and thus started searching for a suitable match for her. As the sage's wife was ambitious for her daughter, she decided the son got to be the suitable match for her daughter. But the girl did not approve of it. And thus, the couple went to various gods in search of a suitable match for her daughter, for their daughter. But she would take out fault in every match. In the end, the wife realized that she had spoiled the girl with her extreme affection and pampering. She then shared her view on the Lord of the Mountain on being the suitable match for a mouse, and a large mountain mouse appears, and the daughter agrees to marry the mouse. The destiny played its role. The girl started as a mouse and was destined to, in the end, to marry a mouse. So this is the story, a short form of the story. Now I will share a video wherein you will see the story, what actually happened, what all matches the couple found, and how the girl, that beautiful girl of theirs, took out fault in every match and how ultimately she got married to the mountain mouse. Now here are some difficult words for you. Now mind you boys, when you are writing your dictation words, remember only proper nouns to be written in capital letter. The first letter should be capital of any word if it is a proper noun. Otherwise, it should be written in small case letters. Like here in these difficult words, there are 15 of them. None of the word is a proper noun. So, all the first letters of every word, each word is in small case. The first word is religious. Second is momentarily. Third is pebble. The fourth word goes afraid. Fifth is transformed. Sixth is custom. 7th is brilliant. 8 is possible. 9 is cheerfully. 10 is crestfallen. 11 is tantrum. 12th word is hesitation. 13th is destined. 14th is converted. 15th is extreme. Now here are the synonyms. Do you know what is the meaning of synonyms? Well, you must have read in 3rd standards, but it may have slipped off your mind. So let me remind you, synonym means similar words or the same meaning. So in other words, we can say that these are the word meanings, what you normally use in common language. But now as you are growing, you are learning new things. So the other word for word meanings is synonym. Now here are a few synonyms. First one is wistfully. That means sadly and longingly. Second word is transformed. That means changed. Third word is momentarily. It means for a moment. Fourth word is unstable, which means not steady. The next word is fickle. Fickle means one who changes his mind often. The next word is crestfallen, which means sad. The next word goes hesitation, which means unsure of going ahead. The next word is destiny. That means luck. And the last word is converted, which means changed. So boys, this was a few important things from the lesson, a story from Panchtantra, the Sage's Daughter. Now I will be sharing a video with you of the same, where you will see the story happening. So I will sign off now. Always remember, it is lockdown, but it is not a knockdown. So stay in, stay safe, stay smiling. And don't forget to take precautions. The 3 main precautions are wash your hands regularly, avoid touching, and wear a mask. Thank you and have a good day.